Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll be showing some cool applications that will be very useful for translating any international language while you are traveling to the international countries like Japan, China, Korea, and so on. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for Google Translate. So you can see here the Google Translate. As I've already installed this application, so I'm not going to install. So if you have not installed, you install it, and once installation is done, click open. On opening the user interface, you can see its layout. So choose the languages from the above by tapping. As I'm going to translate from Japanese to English, as I don't know the Japanese handwritings, so what they mentions, so we'll try to check out whether it really give me the correct answers or not. So I'll not be using a writing or conversation or even the voice you can use, but I'm not be using these three features. So I'll be using the camera features, so that on the go or while I'm traveling, I saw some signboards so that I can click and directly translate on my way journey. So let's check it out whether it really works or not. So I have one Japanese book here, as you can see, a Japanese book. So we'll try to translate some words using this application. As you can see here, Japanese writings. So you can see a Japanese writings, so I can get the translations even here. So we'll check it out whether the applications work as it's given exactly as the same or not. So we'll check the Google Translate application, how good it works. So we'll try to find the first application. So I'll be covering all the others so that it does not match up with the rest words. So I'll be bringing the book nearby to you so that you can see it clearly. So I'll tap on the image camera. So here asking to point the image, so I'll be pointing. So it's definitely showing a station, so it's really right as it's showing a station. As you can see, the word mentioned is station. So the Google Translate applications, it works really good in my opinion. So you should definitely try this Google Translate applications if you're traveling to the foreign countries. So in my opinion, it's very useful and it's giving the correct translations. So you can try it out by yourself right now. So if you find this video information useful, so click on the thumbs like button, and like always, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.